today is day 2 of Navratri and this is the look. So if you guys want to know how I got this, then please keep on watching. So first of all, I'm going to start with some rose water. While it's there on my skin and it's not absorbed, I'm going to use the Nivea Soft Moisturizer and apply it on my face. Next, I'm using the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Minimizing Primer and just applying it to the places where my skin tends to get more oily, and then I'm just going to lightly spread it. Next, I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear 24-hour Fresh Wear foundation in the shade 130 to 1 no it's in the shade 130. Just going to dot it across my face first, and then I'm taking an angled kabuki brush and then just blending it. Next, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use concealer in the shade light beige, and then I'm just going to apply it lightly underneath my eyes. And in the places where I feel like I need a little more coverage. And then I'm using the same brush and then blending it. With whatever is left on the product from here, I'm going to go over the eyelid as well, so that the darkness goes a little bit away. And then I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me compact powder, and then with using a puff, I'm just going to set my under eyes. And the eyelids as well. I'm not going to set my whole face because this is a glowy foundation, so I don't want it to turn out too matte. And then I'm using this Benetint by Benefit. This is their lip and cheek stain. Just taking a few drops and then blending it with my fingers. Then I'm using the Prestige Cosmetics Ultimate Brow Designer in the shade Black Brown, and then lightly fill in my eyebrows. And then I'm going to blend it with the spoolie that comes at the other end. And you know how the drill goes. Whatever's left on the spoolie, you go on the start to give it a light, like nice little fade. And after that, I'm taking a beauty sponge, and in that I'm spraying this L'Oreal Infallible Fixing Mist, and then just dabbing it all over my face. See, either you can set your face with a powder and then go on with this makeup fixing mist. Otherwise, if you want a luminous finish to your foundation, just skip the powder and do this step. Moving on to the eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Vatten You Will Love It palette in the variant Cute. This is what it looks like. And then I'm going to use this shade as a transition. I've just taken a fluffy brush, going to dip the brush in that, tapping off the excess, and then just going above my, wow, okay, that's pigmented. Next, I'm taking a more closely packed brush and I'm going to use these two shades, mix them together and apply it on the crease or just below it. First I'm going to apply, wow, these are pigmented. First I'm just going to apply the colors below it, because wherever you actually want the eyeshadow, you're supposed to place the eyeshadow below it, because once you blend it, it's gonna go upwards. So just be mindful of that. Then I'm just going to blend this. Once this is done, I'm using the same colors, like both of the colors, and then just applying it to my lower lash line. Next I'm taking this blue shade on my finger and then just going to apply it on the center of the lid. I've applied the blue shade. I'm going to blend it so that there are no harsh lines. Next I'm going to apply the eyeliner. This is by Essence Liquid Ink Eyeliner. This is in the waterproof variant, and I'll just apply it and be back. Then I'm taking the Essence Instant Volume Boost Mascara and apply it on my lashes. I'm taking the Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo in the shade Malibu Barbie, and then just mixing these two shades and applying it on the high points of my cheeks. For highlighter, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold today. I'm just taking a precise brush and then applying it on the high points. And taking the same and going under the brow bone. And for the lipstick, I'm using the Try Sugar liquid lipstick, Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade 03 Tan Fan. The makeup is finally done. There was some problem with the lighting, but then I arranged it right now because it was looking too warm. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I will just be back with my outfit. So this is my final look. I wore my ghagra choli and chudi and jhumka and all the jewelry and bindi and everything. And yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. Since my whole outfit was all pink, I did not want to do pink and gold eye shadow today, so that's why I wanted a pop-up blue, because you know, as somewhere in the like lehenga there's like borders or stripes of blue, so I wanted to do something like that. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye, take care. Mwah.